Hi, I'm Samuel. Do you want to finally pick up that guitar in the corner of your room and learn how to actually play it? Whatever your guitar goals and musical aspirations are, I'm here to help you achieve your dreams. Whether you just picked up the guitar or you've been playing for years, this online guitar course is designed for all skill levels, starting out with the basic fundamentals and advancing your techniques in a short amount of time. There are 3 main courses, each with their own lesson plans and topics. The first one is Guitar Music Theory. You will learn every important and necessary detail of music theory with easy to understand information, diagrams, and video play-alongs. From learning guitar inversions to the 7 modes, you'll grasp a better understanding of music and how to apply it to your own abilities. The second is Rhythm Guitar. You will learn to finally conquer rhythm. We will go over the rhythm pyramid and how to combine different beats and patterns to utilize in your arsenal, strengthening your right hand to proficiently downpick at unimaginable speeds. The third is lead guitar. You will learn various techniques that apply to lead guitar soloing. We will cover alternate picking, tapping, sweeping, legato, and so much more. Copious amounts of tips and tricks that will guide you in the right direction and help you progress at a much faster rate. With the knowledge of all these courses combined, you will master the guitar in no time. So what are you waiting for? Dust off your guitar and let's get started.